Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I picked up this hutch for free on Facebook Marketplace, and what I did is just wipe everything down, take the grease off. This is the first coat. I left the top original. And right here I was deciding if I was going to paint the drawers or if I was going to leave them. And I ended up just painting the drawers. I didn't like them, the natural wood color. And then I got the first coat on the top of the hutch. It was so tedious getting into all those little cracks. This is the second coat. This is the third. And this is what the hardware looked like before. And I did use the gold Rust-Oleum spray paint. That is one of my go-tos. And this is the top. I left the little drawers as is with the gold handles. The top of the hutch I left as is. And then that's what it looks like all together. I like the way it came out. It looks like a farmhouse. And I sold it for $280. So it was all profit.
Subscribe, like, and share.